last year we played the same team that we're playing this year, which is Zitec, and they swept us 3-0. So our mindset is totally different from where we were last season, because we do not want to be swept again. Yeah, so our minds are focused, and the goal is to win and get to the finals.
It's the time of the year that the champ will be known. So of course we've stepped up the session, and I'm happy that the girls also want to see a difference. So the turnout is good, and they're giving their best.